everyone, Barefoot Chef. This is really exciting. My hive has swarmed. Look here. See this? This is a whole colony of bees that have gotten out of a hive body that I already have. So the most common you'll ever find them at this stage. What I'm fixing to do is to gather them up and put them into a new hive body. You can see how close I am. You can touch them. You get near here, you can touch them. They're not going to bother you. They don't have anything to protect right now except the queen in the very center. What bees usually do is protect their honey, and they don't have it right now, so we're going to take them and put them in a new hive body. Let's go.